Hi and welcome. If you're looking to build a professional website or landing page, definitely you need to use the platforms that will help you to do that, because probably you don't want to learn the coding, you don't need to learn the web design and the skills that you probably will use once per life or maybe twice. And that's why the whole our team, we tested all the market of landing page builders and website builders, and we found a great solution for you. And today we want to share with you the small tutorial of how to make your own web page, how to make your own landing page, and how to make it step by step. I want to show you all the editing features, and before I started to do that, I want to share with you the information that we made a partnership with the Leadpages platform, and we have a discount for our visitors, for our friends, for our subscribers. So we left the link in the description panel of this video so you can easily get access to this Leadpages platform with a big discount from our team for our friends. So check it and have a great discount. And I'm not wasting your time, we're just jumping into the dashboard of this fantastic platform, and I will show you how to manage things on it. Okay, there's landing page templates that if you go in the back, you have the sites and you need to press the create a new landing page. Here you need to be as specific as possible with your page type, because it's about MBO, blank, checkout, consultation. So there's tons of interesting things, and industry, author, automotive, business and marketing, creative services, education, and so on and so on. And you need to be as specific as possible to find the template that will suit to your business, and it will save you tons of time and efforts to build a website. Of course, to build a website from a ready template is much more easier than to build it from scratch. But anyway, this platform is absolutely user-friendly. It's drag and drop features, and I want to show it to you. That this is very simple and easy, and you can build your own page like within half an hour, for example. I'll try to make this video as short as possible, not to waste your time, and to bring all things live and to show you all the things that you need to use. You see that this is a simple landing page. It made on one layout, just one simple page, and that's it. And there's nothing special on it. And I will show you how to manage all the things. And in the end of this video, you will have an idea of how to build your own web page. So layout. Layout is everything that you see on your page. There are hero, section, and footer. Actually, any website building platform allows you to build your page with the blocks or sections, or any. You can use any name. There's a sections here, and you see there's a hero section. And if you're pressing this arrow button, you can see what's happening here. What is the element, what elements are laying under the hero page. The footer, the same thing. There's just a text one, and I will show you how to manage all this. You can use these buttons to delete, duplicate, make it visible or invisible, and you can add a section. This add a section button is the same that you can see here in the sections, so you can add sections straight from here. You can add from this list about, call to action. There are pre-made things that you can use to just easily drag and drop. You can drag and drop it. You can drop it in all this blue boxes. Okay, just to show you how it works, we're gonna delete all this. Or you can use, if you don't have, if you didn't found the things that suits to your business, if you didn't found that, you just can use the blank. And there are pre-made sections also with the columns and rows. And this is pretty easy to manage. You just drag and drop down to the place where it can be as your own opinion. So widgets, just to show you, this is a blank section, and the same thing you can make with these 3 dots: added section settings, add section above or below, duplicate, copy, or delete. We're gonna jump to section settings, but before I want to show you the widgets, the elements. Actually, any landing page or web page contains pictures, videos, text, and interactive elements like buttons and forms, and of course line and spacers to manage things in the order that you want. So we're just dragging image to this spot. Okay, and we have 3 more columns, 2 more columns. So video will be here, for example, and the text will be here, for example. And that's pretty it. Every editing feature is happening with this pencil button. You have a style, and you can change things here: set max image width, do not optimize this, square, rounded, or circular. You can use all this, but you need to upload an image first. Here in added section settings, you see the color of background. There is no color of background, but you can use like random colors that you want. Black and white is always the great choice, of course, but you can play around with all that, and you can add even your own color. Maybe it's the color of your brand, or color from your logo, or so on and so on, and you can add the absolutely custom color that you want to apply to this picture, to this section, or you can add an image here. Also, automatically bigger, more bigger, much more bigger, and the full. Yeah, you see the section is big, so you can drag and drop more things here, but I love to make it automatically, and it's like small here. When you're hovering the section, you see this blue lines. When you grabbing it, you can move things to the order that you want, and that's also can be a useful feature when you build in your website from scratch, for example. Also, it can be very handy. I showed you how to add a widgets. The same thing is to delete widgets, or if you want to reorder them. You see all these blue boxes. This is gonna be in the left hand, this is gonna be above, and so on. This is gonna be below this thing. I'm just showing you how you can manage all those things, and that's pretty all knowledge that you need to know. We're gonna delete all this. Actually, what you need to have on the perfect landing page is some kind of hello page. Yeah, it's description of your business, description of your offer, some maybe testimonials, and contact information. And on the all page, you need to apply the buttons to why? Because that's the way how your visitors interact with your page, and they need to press the button, and they need to fulfill some contact information about them, and you get in that information, and you put in that information to your email marketing provider or to your email. I'm gonna show it to you right in the seconds, but let's edit this section. For example, you're a yoga trainer, and you have some Black Friday special offer, and you have your own picture. Yeah, you can. There's a couple things. You can use your images that are uploaded already. You can use the premium images, but you need to buy them, and it's about $8 per picture. But it's great, and very high quality pictures from the stocks, and you can buy it, but it's extra for your wallet. But you can upload a picture straight from your computer, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, the picture is on the spot, and you see that that looks pretty amazing. That looks great. Don't you think so? Interesting stuff that you can use the image color overlay, and that's some kind of a filter. For example, we need to add a color. I want it to be red one, and you see the overlay is red right now, and we change the opacity, and you see all these changes. For example, I need to use the black color, and the opacity is like that, and you have this block is pretty visible right here, and that's cool. That's actually very cool. Like, we changed this in seconds. Edit section settings, minimum height, automatically. Like, let it be the full. Yeah, great. You see that's pretty great. Or let it be the automatically set, and it's used to this section. It's also pretty nice, but I don't like the head is a little bit cut, so I'm gonna change it back to 75 maybe. Yeah, now 75, one more time. Let it be the full. Okay, in that case it looks pretty great. I told you about this blue lines, and you can reshape things and resize them to the shape that you actually want. All these elements you can delete. I want the coupon code. An interesting thing, actually, if you see that there's image and you don't have a space between them, you go to widgets, you get into spacer, and you drop it in right here, and now you can move things as you want, or you can delete this. So this is how you're reshaping things. Very important thing is to add the click event to each button that you have on your page. And smiley box is pre-made already. Let's see what is that. Okay, the coupon, for example, and edit integrations. This is a very important thing, guys. Just listen carefully. Integrations. You can get an email to your email box that you were creating this account, or you can add an integration, and you can integrate with a tons of interesting and very useful services like MailChimp, GetResponse, and ConvertKit. If you're familiar to internet marketing, probably you know all these tools. If you don't, just find out information about that, because that's very important. It's email marketing providers that give you ability to send to grow your email list of all those people who will type in their emails in the form. And when they get into your email list, you can send them notifications, you can automate that process, and that's very handy if you have tons of clients and you don't want to type the emails to them like with your hands all day long. Yeah, the MailChimp, GetResponse, or if you don't have all those, you can integrate Google Sheets, for example, and the new client information will jump in straight to your new sheet on Google, and you can integrate it with a Zapier, and that's also very interesting feature. But if you're just starting, it can be enough to send just emails to your mailbox. Fields. Here you see an only email, and you can add a field. There's city, comment, last name, phone number, postal code, the information that you need. Actually, I need the first name. All right, and I replacing it with this small arrows, and the actions. What's gonna happen when somebody will fulfill the form and will send it to you and will like press the button? What's gonna happen? I prefer to use the default lead pages thank you page. You can manage this page and reshape it for your style, for your colors, and so on and so on. To the landing page, external URL, or remaining page. External URL is if you're selling something and you're making an upsell, cross-sell, and this information will be handy if you're familiar to internet marketing. If you're not, Just it's enough to default lead page thank you page, and that's it. Like somebody fulfilled the form, and like thank you so much. Our manager will contact you as soon as possible, for example. And that's pretty it, guys. I showed you the core knowledges, I showed you the core things of how you can manage all the stuff here and how you can move things, how you can add things. I showed you the sections, widgets, styles. Font styles, you can change it straight from here. All the headlines will be changed for this font. All the other text font will be changed for this one. Page background, color, or you can use an image here. Page width, wide. Favicon is a small picture in the search bar that will appear with the name of your site. Custom CSS, not the issue of this video. Settings, also SEO. It's a very important thing. Definitely you need your site to be visible to search engines, and you need to optimize your page with all those keywords and with all those descriptions that will contain the keywords and so on. The SEO is another issue and a big knowledge base that you need to apply to your website. Social, if you want to share your link to your website, your landing page to some social platforms like Facebook or Pinterest or some else, you need to choose an image here and upload it here. Analytics, if you want to know what's happening with the traffic on your site, what's happening with the clicks and visitors, definitely you need to add Google Analytics tracking ID right straight to this thing. Actually, I showed you everything that you need to know to build your own web page, and it's very simple, it's very easy, and you can handle it for sure, and it takes less than 1 hour if you have a content. But remember one thing, nobody will know your business better than you. So you can hire a professional and he will build a web page for you, but that's not the point, and nobody knows your business better. So maybe think about it, maybe it's better to build your own web page by your hands, and it takes like less than an hour, literally. Of course you can play around with all those features and with all those buttons and with all those settings like for centuries, but it's better to build your web page fast, easy, and go live with that. Bring traffic to it with marketing campaigns, and that's it. And you will get new clients, you will get new customers, you will get new earnings, you will get more money, and you will be you'll have more freedom to act than it was previously. So guys, I hope this all makes sense for you. I hope you're a little bit familiar with all these things of internet marketing, because you're watching this video and you want to build your own site. And I hope this information was useful and it will help you to build your own web page or landing page or site, because the editor is pretty similar, and you can build a big site with a great amount of content, with a lot of pages, or you can build it in one layout like landing page as I showed you. So thanks you for watching. Want to remind you that link in description panel, link is in description panel. Via that link you can get access to Leadpages platform with a big discount for our friends. So let's make a friendship. Use our link and jump into creation of your own web page. I wish you good luck. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye bye.